Welcome to Let's Learn with Mrs. W. I'm Mrs. W, and today let's learn all about the letter C.
Let's learn with Mrs. W. What are we learning today?
The letter C makes two sounds, k, s. The letter C only makes its s sound before an E, I, or Y. Scent, city, cycle. Otherwise, it will make its k sound. Can you think of any words that start with the letter C? Wow, look at all of those words. Let's read a few. K, can. S, city. K, cat. K, clothes. Wow, that's everything you need to know about the letter C. Don't forget to stick around to the end of the week where we'll be reading a book all about the letter C and then doing a caterpillar craft. Thanks for learning with Mrs. W. See you later.